This entire assembly was designed from scratch in SolidWorks, with every component engineered for precision, strength, and efficient manufacturing. The exploded view reveals how each part fits together, making the assembly process clear and easy to understand. Next, motion study brings the design to life, allowing engineers to simulate movement, verify clearances, and identify potential issues before production begins. By validating the design digitally, we reduce manufacturing errors, save time, and improve product quality. This is more than a 3D model. It's engineering transformed into reality, designed in SolidWorks. Follow for more mechanical engineering and CAD content.